Have you come across TraderSettle.com and wondered if it's your golden ticket to a quick settlement payout from Trader Joe's? The site claims you can collect a settlement by simply following a few basic steps. Sounds easy, right? But like many things that seem too good to be true, this one deserves a closer look. I decided to check out TraderSettle.com myself because it's been circulating a lot recently, and honestly, what I found raises more questions than answers. Right off the bat, the website tries hard to look credible by using Trader Joe's branding, logos, and even styling that mimics official-looking legal claim sites, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll notice it's all surface level with no real connection to the actual Trader Joe's company. That's a huge red flag. There's no legal disclaimer, no official documentation, and absolutely no transparency about who owns or operates the site. The submission process is vague and doesn't clearly explain what happens to the information you're giving them. It's not just misleading, it feels like a trap for collecting user data under false pretenses. I went through the entire process, filled out the forms, and waited for a response, only to receive generic emails with no substance or real progress. There were no confirmations from any official legal firm or entity, just automated messages trying to keep me engaged. On top of that, the whole setup relies on urgency, trying to make you act fast without thinking, which is a common tactic used in online schemes. Now, I'm not saying it's an outright scam, but I'm saying it's not a trustworthy or transparent platform. It sits in that gray area where it's not offering anything real, but it's trying very hard to look like it does. If you're someone who values your time, privacy, and security, my advice is simple: stay far away. There's nothing on this site that justifies the risk, and no clear evidence that any real settlement is actually being processed through it.